Good morning, everybody. How are you doing? Hopefully you're doing really good. Today we have a few things planned. We are going to go swimming right now. It's not like the best day to go swimming. It's kind of cloudy and whatnot, but after that we have a whole like list of things. So I'm gonna try to film on my phone since it's waterproof. I don't know how well that's gonna go, but let's see. Well, that's it for the first or second, the second part of the process of growing a bonsai tree. We'll hear from the seeds in like 2 months or 3 months or something like that. I'm supposed to leave them in the fridge for like 90 days, which doesn't make sense, but it kind of does. But whatever. I'm probably gonna forget about them. We just got done with lunch. We came over here to McDonald's and whatnot. Vegas is really weird. Of course, Vegas is all about gambling and liquor, and that translates to everything. Like, there is a gas station slash liquor store connected to a Walmart, and in this little subdivision, I wouldn't be surprised if McDonald's sold alcohol. It's just so alcohol oriented. But we're gonna go swimming now. I don't think I'm gonna take my camera in, so any footage that comes from that is gonna be from my phone, which I could do now because I got a new phone and I have so much storage. Took forever to find it, but we are finally here. We are valeting my car. This is the very first time I ever valeted my car, so that's pretty cool. And we're gonna go to the pool. The water is really cold, but I can do this. Cool. Zero out of 3 things happened. Today failed. We were supposed to go over to the stratosphere, but that was too expensive. Then we were gonna go ziplining on Fremont, but you had to be 21, so that was a no. Then we were gonna go to the link. I don't know if that's what it's called, but it's a big Ferris wheel. Well, that didn't work because not everyone wanted to go. So the night, all of the plans for today were just a no, and nothing worked out like it should have. So today it didn't work out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, have yourselves a really great rest of the day, and goodbye.
No, you can't, no, you can't, no, you can't.